What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today, as you can see, we got a very big box from Blu, guys. Very dope box, and as you can see, it's full of goodies, guys. We got some nice goodies here. We definitely have a new device, the G91 Pro from Blu. We got the Aria Pods Plus and the regular Aria Pods. All things we're gonna get into, guys. Then also, nice little touch. They must know your boy BG Tech Life drinks coffee. Got a nice bowl like us, a coffee mug, dope little add-on, guys. And the black tea is definitely also fresh. So this is just how they carrying it over at Blu. Sent your boy a nice little package. I'm gonna get into it. But the first thing we're gonna do now that we unbox the big box is unbox the small box, guys. Let's go. Okay, so here we have it, guys, the G91 Pro and all this glam and glitter, this nice black box, but with this holographic font right here. Very dope little box, guys. I like the look. As you can see, we got a host of features from a 6.7-inch display. It's 1080 to 48 megapixel camera. And we got a 128 megs memory on board, 6 gigs of RAM. Very nice, guys. Hyper speed, 30 watt, fast charging, definitely dope. You get a fingerprint scanner, not in display, but on the back of the device, guys. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Let's get it out the box. Okay, as you can see, we got the device here, but we're gonna toss this aside for a second, guys, because I think this box is gonna be a little fuller than the boxes we've been getting lately with no charges, guys. Let's set it to the side and see what we have in the box, guys. Okay, we got a nice little velour type case for the phone in the box, where it's just, for the phone to sit. But as you can see, we got a charging brick, guys, a 30 watt fast charging brick from Blu. Shout out to Blu for that, because you're not seeing that nowhere else right now, guys. We got a charging cable. I'm sorry, these is not a charging cable. We got the earbuds, guys. That's definitely dope. We ain't seen those in a minute. So this phone definitely has a headphone jack. We've got the charging cable on deck, guys. This is more accessories than I've seen in the box in a long time, guys. We got the SIM adapter tool. As you can see, we got a Blu sticker. We got some paperwork. Nice to see a company actually supplying some things in the box with the device, guys, especially at a budget price point. Look, got a nice case, guys, nice protective case. If you want to have like a nice rugged type case for your device, guys, got one in the box already, guys. And one more thing, guys, we got a screen protector, guys. Got a tempered glass screen protector in the box already with the device. So that is very dope, guys. So you can see we got an octa-core processor in this thing, guys. Just a lot of nice touches that this is the G91 Pro, guys. G stands for gaming. And that's dope to have a gaming phone in this price point. Right now, guys, this phone is dropping at $249.99. I think for a limited time, you could get it for $149.99 if you buy early enough. And if you miss out on that deal, you can get the Aria Pods Plus, the Aria Pods for free with the device, guys. So if you're gonna jump on this, you want to jump on this early and get the savings, guys. But we running a 5,000 mega battery with 30 watt fast charging, guys. Come on now, that's dope. With the fast charging brick with the phone, 6.7-inch full HD display. We got 4 cameras on the back, guys. Just a super spec'd out budget gaming phone right here, guys. We definitely gonna have to get into it. We definitely gonna have to check it out. This is the metallic gradient finish very dope.
I must say, guys, the build on this device is really nice, guys. It is a plastic back with an aluminum frame, but the plastic back is not cheap at all, guys. You have certain plastic black phones where you squeeze them and it almost is like you pushing a button, but this is very nice and tightly formed, guys, so it feels like a very nice piece of equipment in your hand, guys. As you can see, this is definitely a Blu smartphone, and it's definitely built for gaming, guys. So we definitely gonna have to get into this. We're gonna have to put it to its paces. I'm gonna have to set it up, and I'm gonna bring you guys a whole nother video. But yeah, right now at the price point of $249, this is the G91, the newest gaming phone from Blu, guys. It's your man BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.